Hello everyone. Today, I will show you how to draw a princess. Take a pencil and paper and draw along with me. Draw a U shape for the head. Add two curves for the hair. Draw the eyes, nose, and mouth. Draw the tiara with a curve. A drop shape for the jewel, and two little curves and a curl on each side. Draw the neck and collar. The puffy sleeves we draw with two circles and three little curves for the lace. Draw two curves meeting in the center for the arms. Add two more curves and draw overlapping hands. Add lines for the fingers. Draw two wavy lines for her long flowing hair. Draw two curves for the skirt. For the lace trim, we draw looping curls and add a curve above each loop. Draw the legs and feet and add lines for the shoes. Color your princess in the colors you like. I give her a peachy skin, golden hair, and a pink dress. And voila! Our drawing is finished. Awesome job! Please like and subscribe for more fun drawing tutorials.